I mean, for me, what matters is that science has triumphed and we are nearing the end of the COVID tunnel. First rates, and it's going to be a gap up start. It is a gap up start. ICICI Bank, check this one out. A 380 stock has become 480 in blink of an eye. IndusInd Bank, almost 800 rupees. It got crushed to 280 or 300 rupees in March. Reliance Industries, 261. Now let's look at airlines, hotels and multiplexes. For me, that's the trade. Indigo, SpiceJet, Indian Hotels, Mahindra Holidays. So banks, a comeback trade. Hotels, airlines, things associated with essentially consumer patterns, those are the ones which are going to be the comeback trade. So SpiceJet is flying high. I expect the same for Indigo. My screen is not refreshing. I expect Indian Hotels to start off with a bang, and Indian Hotels in a sense has started off with a good gap up start. Pfizer in India is going to be on the stock is going to be doing cartwheels, but this is Pfizer India, nothing to do with what Pfizer Global is doing, but markets are markets, not as much. Pfizer is also in a very strong uptick. Metals, the metals will rally. It's risk on. It's risk on. In a risk on environment, metals and cement, these two stocks, they tend to rally. So that's Pfizer for you. But let's look at Tata Steel, Hindalco, Vedanta. Tata Steel, Hindalco, Vedanta. And I'll not be surprised if the rub-off effect is there on SAIL and Nalco. So what is taking it easy? Is IT taking it easy? Is Reliance not participating? I think it's very, very obvious. So Aisha, today it's the other side of the spectrum, a spectrum which we are not used to talking about. Other leaders today, travel, hospitality, tourism, you pretty much know the sectors which are doing well.
Yeah, exactly what we were chatting about earlier today as well. You're seeing that sentimental rub-off, and I'm just looking at the liquid universe as well. Well, it has to be pointed that it's not really that gap up that we were all anticipating. So it's a more sedate start, but we're building on to those fresh highs that we clocked yesterday as well. We preempted the US market move perhaps. 12,520, it's 50 points higher. So it's not really that 1 or 2% move that you were anticipating. It's better a day actually for the broader markets. They have started off with a bigger move as opposed to what the benchmarks are doing. Interglobe Aviation 6.5% higher, PVR 5% higher. And look at what's happening on ICICI Bank. 480 is where that stock is. It's a big 4% move that you're seeing on the stock. UBL as well is holding up very smartly, 3.5% uptick there. HDFC has been taking leadership, and IndusInd Bank and SBI continue to be on a tear. Talking about the economy-related names, while of course banks are doing what they're doing, look at what an L&T, for instance, is doing. 2% higher for L&T as we speak right now. But it's largely banks which are at the fore. I just want to quickly check in on where is it that you're seeing profit taking. Paint stocks, they were the ones which were the first ones to run up. Q1 as well turned out to be profitable for them, along with Q2. So you're seeing some profit taking there. And technology is your laggard today. Infosys is down 4%. HCL Technologies is down 3%. TechM is down 3%. And my sense is that that would be the same case even with some of the mid-cap IT names. So Divi's is seeing some profit taking, Britannia, Nestle, TCS is down roughly about 2%, Cipla is down 2%. Profit taking Nikunj in IT and pharma, predictably so.